All right, egg beater wrap. So you're going to spread the fabric apart, and this first time you can try with one leg at a time. You do want to wrap them twice. You're going to bring the knees up and feet back to step in the stirrup. To come out, you're going to bring the knees forward and feet slightly back, point those toes and shake them off. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and see it done with both legs at a time. And this does help to get momentum. Go ahead and point, lift those knees up and feet back. This is your egg beater wrap. And just remember, to come out of this, you cannot just come out like a regular footlock. You have to bring the knees forward and feet slightly back and point. Egg beater wraps.